Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let go.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful coily short natural looking wig. So this wig is from Eayon Hair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. I've tried a lot of their wigs and this one is also living to the expectation. It's really beautiful. It has this quite tight coils like so. You can see the coils are quite tight and it's really full. In the video I went ahead to wake the coils up by using my conditioner, my oil and my water. I'm going to show you guys everything in the video. But you know, with coily hair, in order to maintain it, you always make sure that it stays moisturized, especially whenever you want to use it. You spray water on it and then you apply your leave-in conditioner and you apply your oil. It's just going to bring it alive and it's just going to look amazing. So like as you can see, I have like a little baby hair. It's totally optional. You don't have to do that. It's just like a lace closure, so it's kind of like a wear and go. You can just put it on and just spray water on it and your conditioner and off you go. Seriously, I'm really loving the wig. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by showing you guys the packaging of the wig. So this is the wig. As you guys can see, it's a coily wig and it's a very beautiful coily wig. So first of all, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer on the lace part to give it a more natural look. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So now I'm going to cut out the spare lace in front. And then I'm going to twist the middle pattern just to give it a more clearer look. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray my beard spray and then tie it for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to do my baby hairs. This is totally optional. You don't have to do it. But I just decided to do it for this week. So after laying my baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf and let it dry. After that, I'm going to take off the scarf and I'm going to spray water on it to bring the coils alive. I'm going to spray water, apply my leave-in conditioner and apply my heat protectant oil. Then I'm going to use my heat comb to just comb just the front part of it. And yes guys, this is the final look. I really love this coil. This wig is easy to wear. You just wear it and off you go. I enjoyed making this video and I hope you guys learned a lot. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.